What is up guys? Today we are going to be unboxing HP's X200 Wireless Mouse. It has a lot of cool features in it, like wireless adaptivity up to 20 meters and battery life up to 1.5 years. You can't believe it, right? And the manufacturer gives at least 1 year of warranty. So let us start unboxing this amazing mouse. So this is the mouse guys. Let's open it. And first thing, they give this adapter for plugging in the computer, and they give us a battery. This is a AA battery. Now this is the mouse, okay, and as usual they've given few books to read. Okay, so now this mouse, wow, this mouse is looking very cool. This is the on button, off button, and this is the battery. Have to put the battery like this. Yes, immediately the sensor works. Have to keep the battery like that and plug this to your computer. So I've got here my Dell Inspiron computer. So you have to take this adapter and plug it in the USB cable. Find the USB port and just plug it like that. Yes, the sound has come, and in the mouse just on it. Now the sensor is directed. Okay guys, if you like this video, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the like button for more future videos. Bye bye, see you in the next video.